Hello. What are you trying to sell me? At least tell me something if you're gonna be on the phone. Motherfuckers.
Who is it?
909-254-0598. Give it a call. Fuck 'em.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Static Garage. If you ain't subscribed already, click that subscribe button, hit that bell button.
Fuck, I'll put that in the beginning of the video.
My YouTuber now. If you guys haven't noticed yet, the Miata is the budget build of this channel. So what we're doing next is the interior. Even though it is gonna be a budget interior build, we still want to get good products. So just because it's affordable doesn't mean it's gonna be shitty. So what we're gonna be installing today is a new racing seat. There's a couple rips on the driver's seat and they're pretty much all faded. So both of these are gonna be replaced. We're actually just gonna be doing the driver's side today and show you guys that.
Ah, these seats are so heavy.
Alright, wanna tell them which one we got?
I haven't even taken a look at it myself. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Static Garage. I just felt like I had to say it. I know Stephanie already did, but you know, Static Danny here, so.
The main head. Gotta give his
head.
He's got a little head.
Don't say on the main head. He's bad.
Are you mad? I'm sorry. Guys, this is Static Morton.
Yo,
That's alright.
you dirtbag.
I have a good job.
They spelled
Suck
your name
on that,
wrong.
then.
You need to add an I after the N.
Martini the weenie.
The big one.
We did open it up from the package just to, you know, make some room around my house. But I haven't actually taken a look at the whole thing, so it's time to.
These are the part of the Street series, and they're called like the R100.
Street series.
Reclinable or no reclinable?
Street Garage. We're changing our name again.
I feel like I wouldn't be able to drive comfortably in a bucket seat with them.
And these are $200.
They actually run for $330.
But they're on sale.
They were cheaper on another website.
So how much do they run on your website?
$279.
$279. $200. Think about it.
So even though they're really cheap, you can still tell it's really good quality, and they're pretty nice. Like, the reason why I liked it is because they look kind of like OEM looking, like it's not too crazy, and it does have like the white stitching, so it does kind of match with my car.
They just look really nice in general. Like, they look so nice that even Static Chacha was planning on getting these too.
Everyone should get these.
Heck no.
Yeah.
Get Brides if you can afford them.
Sparkle's better than Brights.
You shut your mouth.
I gotta change them black. If you guys can find me some black ones, put the link down below.
Find like what, fool?
The fabric. I don't like the red.
For how are they gonna know what you're talking about?
My seats.
Hopefully this seat will fit inside here. I'm sure people have run even wider seats, especially for people like bigger size people that run Miatas. We also got the mounts and brackets fairly cheap. The only problem that we had was they kept coming in different boxes instead of being shipped together, even though she got it from the same website. These are the bottom mounts for the Miata. They're good quality though.
Pretty heavy.
Sturdy. Way more than your stock seats.
Yeah. So I actually got these off.
Why are you sad?
It's true.
Hey, relax.
What do I put it?
I don't know, but dude, this actually looks nice. Like, okay, and then there's an even bigger box than the one that came with the brackets, and literally it's just the rails. I know we've been doing a lot of similar installs on this channel, but the reason we're still showing you guys, especially on the Miata, is because the things that we buy are pretty expensive now, and we want to show you guys what you can buy for fairly cheap and with good brands. Because yes, we could probably get some eBay seats that look good and run them in the Miata just fine, but one, SPARCO is obviously a very reputable brand, and so is NRG. They're making really good stuff now, so we wanted to give you guys a series with the Miata build, because obviously the Miata is a whole budget build altogether. So we want to show you guys how you guys can build an interior without spending as much money as me or Martin. We're gonna let Static Stephanie break them loose.
Ooh.
Damn. I respect you a little bit.
Stronger than Danny.
All over me.
It hurt a little.
How does it feel working on cars?
I feel broken.
The steering wheel is also really nice, and just driving with it is definitely better than driving with the stock one.
Oh.
Alright, you're gonna recline it forward. 2 more. Damn, Stephanie. Just like Martin, all dirty.
Oh, mine's clean now.
It's gutted.
Exactly, it's clean. Look at that.
Got it?
So this is the budget build.
Budget
We're
build.
gonna gut it.
We're just gonna gut the whole thing. Look at it.
Dude, it looks so nasty now.
I know, that's why I don't want to sit down. One thing I also got for the E30 is a new side trim piece, because my old one broke off as I was driving because I didn't tighten it like a dumbass. So this is the old one. It actually fell in the middle of the road, and I think it got hit because this is destroyed. So I couldn't find it anywhere, and all the people that were parting out their E30s didn't want to sell it with just this piece. They wanted to sell it with the bumper. So I ended up buying this one online for only 30 bucks. So I'm gonna be painting it and just putting it back on the E30 so I can finally put on the rear bumper.
Alrighty guys, so Martini is putting on the seat bracket right now, and then we're gonna go ahead and attach it to the car.
One thing I hate about doing videos before noon is that the sun hits right here and it makes everything else dark, so it's really hard to focus. So we're gonna move over here so we can compare the old seat, which is tiny. Like, that's so much tinier. I don't know how this is gonna look inside. It's gonna look way bigger. It doesn't fit. I'm just kidding.
Shh, let me go.
It's so big. You have to definitely get the other seat because that thing looks tiny compared to this seat. That's a really tight fit. Let me check on the door. Did you look up the fitments on these seats?
No fit. Door cards.
It's fine. Looks so weird.
They look so weird. You definitely need to get the other side. These look so big. That's the thing. They just look massive.
Damn, you want to trade after I reupholster the other ones?
Get the
Black?
brides? Sick ass food.
Tempting? Tempting?
Better.
No, I mean, they look good. They're gonna fit. Just like I said, it just yeah, it's a matter of working them, and these are so much tinier. Like this car would probably be more meant for like a bucket seat because they're a lot smaller. You get me? And they're like mine. So as long as we're able to bolt them on and close the door, we should be cherry. It looks like we are having some fitment issues with the brackets, so that's really weird that we would, just because they're meant for the car. They're only literally about like 3 millimeters off. What do you say?
Yeah. So this is what the seat looks like installed now. A couple of things that we realized and to take note while installing this. The bracket that is made for the Miata, it didn't fit, so like it was kind of off, like how I was saying before. So we were only able to put the 2 front bolts on and then 1 bolt in the back of the bracket. So it's sitting on 3 bolts only, which we obviously don't recommend. It's not that safe, but we're gonna probably email SPARCO and just let them know like, hey, the fitment is off, or we're gonna try to figure something out. I don't really know yet. Other than that, first impressions, it's pretty comfortable, good quality. Ride height is a little bit higher than stock, but I'm sure if you were to take off the sliders, it obviously sit lower. The seat is honestly kind of big for the car. I honestly just winged it, and I didn't really measure anything when ordering, so it's like a really snug fit. Like you can see when you're closing the door, it does kind of hit a little bit, so you honestly just have to slam it and it'll close. But we are gonna have to end up getting door cards just so it can be like a better fit. There's just a couple things that you do have to work with, so keep that in mind if you really are interested in picking up one of these. I'm sure they'll fit in any other car though. Alright, initial impressions while driving. Definitely way higher
So it sits higher.
It sits way higher.
Better or worser?
Worser.
Worser?
No,
like
it's just funny. Worser
like,
is not a word.
Shh, that's why I said it. Like, does it kill visibility or? Because you're like
No,
same as me now, so it's actually
better because like obviously I was sitting lower before, so I couldn't really see the street that much. But I have a better view. But for those of you who are taller,
it's gonna kill. Cause I gotta be like this already. I'd be looking at the fucking.
Yeah, it's a plus for me.
I'm not gonna lie, it does look pretty wonky in here just because it's so tall. It's a tall seat.
It is pretty tall, yeah.
So it kind of like throws it off because it's if you put it straight up, it's taller than the actual Miata itself. Overall, this install kind of went everywhere. Like it was one of those where it's just like we started late, we couldn't get it to work. You know what I mean? And it was like.
I mean, that happens like every video, which we can't be surprised at this point, but
I know.
Still.
It's like, we wanted to do way more. Everyone went everywhere. I had to go to pick up Eden from Toyota because he was getting work done on his FRS. And then Chavez and Eden took the camera all the way to Lowe's to buy some stuff. But we just wanted to do a little video talking about her interior because we are gonna be doing this a budget way like we told you. So door cards, we're gonna find some to actually fit the seat. We're gonna be doing a bunch of stuff here and there, like maybe the gauge faces, stuff like that we can save money and not spend so much.
Good.
Yeah, like we're not gonna spend $800 for racing seats. We're not going to spend $300 for a steering wheel. This is a Miata budget build, and maybe one day we'll be able to do more budget builds if you guys want us to buy any, because I'm down.
But on that note, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys enjoyed us struggling like the whole way. But yeah, what else to say?
On that note,
hope you guys enjoyed.
You already said it though. You ruined it. Alright, I got this. Okay. Ready? Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys enjoyed what we did today. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you guys on the next one.